Here we go. There's the tip. Trying to be good. Gets to Dan the Man Hernandez. Right wing guarded heavily. Cuyatan, top of the key. To Ferds. Cross-court pass to Drew. Back to Cuyatan. Boom! Del Ferio for the three. Here's the Don. Bounce pass to the Flash underneath. Gives to Thursky. Left wing fires, no good. Rebound to Dan the Man. Here goes Cafe 86. Cafe 86. Bringing the ball across the timeline. Dan the Man Hernandez. To Galvez. Ferdy. ASAP Ferdy with the ball. Bounce pass. Dan the Man inside. Oh, no look pass. In traffic. Oh, he tosses it up. Bounces. No good. Rebound by Mamu. Here's the Don with the rebound. Don in the fluorescent Kobe. Gives it to Thursky. Driving it in. Oh, bounce off the glass. It's good. Thursky. Coming off a hard game with healthy hands against CP Otto. Ferdy with the ball. Ferds, ASAP Ferds with the ball. Right side, pulls it up. Ooh! He says, you will respect me. Dylan. The Don fires. Front of the rim, no good. Drew with the rebound. Scored 2-5. Cafe 86 up with a 3-point lead. And 8 minutes left in the game. Cuyatan, left wing. Dan the Man. Can't get it. Rebound Mamu. Gives it to Don. The Don. Right side to Thursky. Thursky, top of the key to the Flash. He's been hot from there. Oh, a little bit long. ASAP Ferg with the ball. Galvez. Going to the left side. Middle. Wraparound pass. And the fan catches it. The Flash. Baseline to the Don. Thursky. Back to the Flash. Flash. Ooh, can't get the bounce. Rebound. The Don underneath. Foul number 1, Drew. That's his first personal. The Don shooting 2. This is it, but he'll get a second chance. The Don makes the second one. Score 5-3. Cafe 86 up 2. Drew walking the ball up, crosses the court. Cafe 86, Cuyatan. Thought about it. Inside to Dan the Man. Gets the roll, yes. 7-3. What will the men in green do? Here we go. The Flash. Pulls it up. Turn around by Raymond. Ooh, blocked by Dan the Man. Ferdy telling him to slow it down. Ferdy, right wing. Dan the Man in the corner. Back to Ferdy. Ferdy driving in the key. Ooh. Last touch. DRA to go back to Cafe 86. To inbound to Drew. Bang. Oh, can't get the roll. Foul on number 10. That's his first personal, Antienza. Dan the Man with it. Oh, Johnny be good. Oh, intercepted by the Flash. Flash on a break. Flash, oh, to the Don. Don with the drive. Thirsty, can't finish. Cafe 86. Tom thought about it, gives it to Dan the Man, fires, no. Chase for the ball, ooh. Slip and slide. What? They'll stay with GRH. Here we go. Babego with the ball. Babego all the way. Yes. 9-3. The Don inside move. Here he goes. Gives it to the Flash. Free throw. Can't get it. The Don rebound. Oh, can't get it. Gets his own move. Foul on the arm. 2 shots. Foul on number 25. Kuya Tom's first personal, shooting 2. The Don makes the first one. Score 9-4. Oh, this is the second rebound. Oh, almost by Kuya Eugene. Dan gives it to Johnny B. Good. Johnny B. Good with the ball. Driving it in the paint. Picks it up. Gives it to Birdie. Birdie in the drive over the paint. Foul on number 10, Antienza. That's his, what, second? You got second personal? Thanks, Kai. All right, ooh. Really poked out. Oh, the Flash with a nice save. And JRH is on the break. Thirsty. Picks it up to Raymond. Raymond. Oh. Finds the Flash. He's been hot from 3-point lately. Makes it 9-7. 2-point game. Birdie with the ball. Birdie dribbling. Cross court. Kuya Drew fires. Oh, gets the pass. Yes. 12-7, 5-point game. The Flash. Trying to put the moves on inside the key. Gives it to Kuya Eugene. He picks it up, gives it back to the Flash. He'll fire inside. Ooh, Flash with a spin move. Oh, rebound Hernandez. Giving it to the floor, General Ferdy. Will he go to the bank? Oh, can't get it. Bank isn't open yet on Sunday. The Don. Spin move. There goes Ferds. Rolling it to Hernandez. About a minute, 14 left. We'll shoot, no? Hernandez fires again. Yes. 14-7. Division 2 action right now you're witnessing. The Flash gives it to Thirsty. Cross court, top of the key. Oh, inside to the Don. Oh, stolen by Babego. There he goes first. Oh, the outlet. The big cooler. And GRH with the ball now. The Don. Number 30. The Don drives it in. Oh, stolen by Ferds. Cafe 86. Dan the Man finishes it 16-7. Kuya Eugene, bank, oh, can't get it. The Don, yes. 7-point game. First quarter, and that ends the first quarter. Score is 16-9. Second quarter, here we go. Score is 16-9, 7-point game for Cafe 86. GRH with the inbound. Golden Hour Hospice. The Don, he'll fire. Puts in the order, wasn't answered. It's not ready yet. Dan the man. Goes to Maglapus. Maglapus saves it. Oh, we gotta travel. Get your passports ready. He got the plane ticket for the travel. Oh, he throws it up. Touchdown pass to PJ. SJ, I mean.
That's a trouble right there. Trouble of mine.
Birdie pleading his case. Dan the man with the ball. Kuya Tom, he'll spot, fire. Oh, can't get it. Maglapus with the rebound. Oh, the flash. Gets the steal. He's on the move. Nobody stopping ball. The flash on the move. Spin move. To the Don. The Don. Ooh. Oh. Birdie claiming it was all ball. ASAP Ferg pleading his case. Denied. Ferg's trying to get the call overturned. The flash, left side, gives it to Belmonte, the Don. Gerard, Dursky with time. He thought about it. Cross court back to the Don. Don fires. Oh, can't get it. Nice putback by the flash. Score 16-11, 5-point game. Just under 8 minutes and counting here. ASAP Ferg with the ball. 30. Picks up the dribble, looking. Maglapus. Oh, bounce pass, free throw. For Dan the man, no good. And they're on the break, GRH. Get ready. Ooh, nice tackle. By Ferdy. They might go to the replay on this one. Was that a flagrant one? Let's see what the officers say in New York. Oh, they deliberate. Is it a flagrant one?
Black 69.
They say it's a common foul. All right.
You can call it whatever you want, but I call that a come on pop.
Oh, it is. Yeah, flagrant one. Here we go. Ferg's gonna be like Draymond, I believe.
Hey, ball don't lie.
Ball doesn't lie. Cross court pass to the flash. Oh, top of the key. Thirsty. Oh, can't get it. Nice rebound by Uncle Drew. Maglapus. Bulldogs in his way. Oh, can't get it. Last touch, Cafe 86, and here's the outlet to the Don. The Don. Nice mid-range. Oh, can't get it. Rebound first. ASAP Ferg. Dan the man. Oh. Fight for the ball. Here we go. Number 69, ASAP Ferg to Hernandez, and he makes it. 18-11. The flash on the move. The Don. Gerard will fire. Oh, front of the rim. Timeout, Cafe 86.
For 10 minutes.
Score 18-11. And we're back from the timeout. Ravago. Dan the man with the ball dribbling. Oh. Piatom. Maglopoulos on the right side. Oh, back to Piatom at the elbow. Oh, can't get it. Oh, Dan the man with the rebound. Last touch will stay with Cafe 86. Uncle Drew. Oh, defense by the Flash. Yeah, oh, nice behind the back pass to the Flash. Can he convert from the gun? Oh, can't get it in and out. Nice play though. The Drew, Uncle Drew with the control, and here goes Cafe 86. Hernandez, left side on the wing, brings it in. Piatom, Harasu, he gives it up. Cafe 86 slowing it down here. Drew, 10 seconds on the shot clock.
10 seconds, guys, 10 seconds.
Piatom, don't leave him alone. Oh, here goes GRH. SJ with the ball, gives it to the Don. To the Flash, he's been hot lately. Oh, in front of the rim. Ooh. Maglopoulos with a half Nelson on there. Trying to put him in the chicken wing. Versace on the floor. Foul on the floor. SJ in and out. Here goes Maglopoulos. ASAP Fergs with the ball, right side. Oh, going in the paint. Oh, bounce pass. Looking for Travago. Fergs. Fergs with the ball, right side. Maglopoulos back to Uncle Drew. Top of the key. Oh, in and out. There goes the Don. Or GRH, Golden Hospice. Top of the key. He'll fire. Can't hit. Maglopoulos with the rebound. Travago. Find the best travel rates on Travago. Piatom fires left side. Bang! Number 25, Piatom with the three. The Don. Cross court. Flash looking inside to try to find Raymond. Timeout, Golden R Hospice.
Thank you. Appreciate that.
And we're back from the timeout. ASAP Fergs bringing the ball up for Cafe 86. Maglopoulos, one dribble. Oh, can't get the outside attempt. The Don with the ball on the right side. Bringing it up. Oh, finds Kuyuji in the paint. Power dribble. Oh, can't get it. Last touch. Let's stay with Golden R Hospice. Thirsty, left side, fired, boom! Thirsty with the doozy. Thirsty with the doozy, yeah? 2. Ferdy making sure it was a 2. All right. Maglopoulos finds Ferds, baseline, ooh. He's looking for the foul. Gerard, number 81. Gerard, he'll pull up. Can't get a rebound. Travago on the move. Travago. Kuyatan fires left side. Oh, can't get it. Rebound, Travago. Kuyatan inside. Rebound, Gerard. Uh-oh, watch out. The Don. Number 30 gives it back to Gerard. To Thursky. Ooh, a little bit long. Gerard with the hustler. Hunts it down, gives it to Thursky. Thursky in the paint. Bang, no good. Rebound, Moglopoulos. Moglopoulos on the move. Cafe 86. Oh, Freddie trying to go to the classic signature bank. There goes Mama 2. The Don finger rolls it in. Yes. 6-point game, 21-15. Foul on the Don, and they get to Kuyatan. No fire, left side, a little bit long. Oh, Freddie with the putback. He said, you better box me out. Yo, half court speed, no good. Halftime. Score 23-15. Cafe 86 with the 8-point lead. We'll be right back after halftime. And we're back from the halftime, switching sides. Cafe 86 with an 8-point lead right now, going into the third quarter.
You're gonna be 10 right now, Joe.
Oh.
You're gonna be 10 right now.
Dan the man top of the key, guarded by the flash. Ooh, Kuyatan. Ooh, no look to Moglopoulos. The first. First with a drive. Oh, trying to go to Dan. And it goes out of bounds to GRH. The long ball to, oh, intercepted by Uncle Drew. Dan the man, Hernandez. Kuyatan, ooh, step back behind the line, back to Dan. Free throw, oh, can't get it. Rebound, SJ. The flash. The Don, oh, Thirsty baseline, can't get it. Moglopoulos, outlet to Hernandez. Birds with the ball. 10 seconds on the shot clock. Ooh. A little bit long for Cafe 86. Golden Hospice. Thirsty. Oh. SJ underneath. Can't get it. Hernandez. Pulls it up, front of the rim. To Don, oh, nice pass. Back to him, gets the rebound. Ball on the ground. Nice left-hand drive by the Don, can't finish. Goes out of bounds. Stays with GRH. Oh, that's all, man. First, bounce pass to Maglapos on the break is good. Glass is good. 25 to 15, 10-point game. Three-pointer by the Flash in the left corner. Lead drops to 7, 25-18. GRH fighting their way to a comeback. Cuyatan can't get it. The Flash on the drive, he'll go straight up. Oh. Foul on number 1, Uncle Drew. And the Flash will go to the line, number 11. This one is good. Second one, oh, a little bit long, rebound, Hernandez. Maglapos to Birds. Birds on the drive, ooh. Goes in the way. There goes GRH, trying to inbound the ball quickly, last touch. And the save with GRH. Trivago, trying to plead his case. Oh, bounce pass to Raven, but intercepted by Hernandez. Cafe 86 on the drive. And they lose it. Oh, they pick it back up. Dan the man, board baseline. Oh. Foul on number 11, the Flash. Just under 5 minutes left here in the third quarter. Maglapos. Uncle Drew, top of the key. Bang! 28-19, 9-point lead. The Don going all the way to the right corner. Cross-court pass to Thursky. Thursky pulling it back out. Oh, nice cut. Oh, gives it to Uncle Drew, and here goes Cafe 86, Hernandez. On the drive. Oh. Foul number 111, SJ. On the ground, and they'll take it out. Cafe 86, Hernandez, Rabago. Uncle Drew, top of the key, he'll fire again, trying to go for another one. Can't get it, here we go. The Don. Left wing fires, no, live it long. There goes Rabago. Birds. Oh, gives it to Hernandez. The Flash with the rebound for GRH. Finds Thursky underneath. Goes Glass. Can't get the roll. Oh, nice tipping by Mamoon. Number 10, Atienza with the putback. Birds gets the ball. Oh, tries to save it, saves it to GRH. Here goes the Flash. Passes it off to the Don, back to the Flash. Top of the key. Oh, in front of the rim, no. Timeout, Cuyatan for Cafe 86. 2:49 left in the game. Left in the third quarter. Rabago inbound, coming back from the timeout. 7-point game. Uncle Drew fires. Yes, it's the three. Back to 10, 20, 31, 21. Cafe 86, not letting up. Whoa, stutter step by the Don. He'll go, drives right. Deflects the ball, but it goes to Purdy. Purdy on the drive, breakaway, can't convert. Here goes Gerard and GRH. The flash on the move. Back to Thursky, back to the flash. Yes, inside the key. 23-31, 8-point game. Uncle Drew bringing the ball up. Maglapus. Kuyatam, oh. Cross-court pass, Rabago to Birds. Bang, oh, can't get it. Still not open. Insufficient funds in the bank. All right, here we go. We got a foul. Foul number 1, Uncle Drew. Beaumont, the Don to the line.
Cold, y'all. My head's so cold.
You gotta warm them up.
What's going on with my head right now? Hey.
You good? Free throw is good. Both free throws are good for the Don. 31-25. Clock winding down. 40 seconds left here in the third quarter. Maglapus. Oh, back to Kuyatam fires. Bang! Kuyatam with the three. 34-25. The flash, number 11, holds up the ball, gives it to Thursky, top of the key. The Don finds Gerard. Oh, back to the Don. Oh, intercepted by Maglapus. Foul on number 81, Gerard, and that ends the third quarter score. 34-25. We're going to the fourth. Here we go, start of the fourth quarter. Nine-point game, 9-point lead for Cafe 86. GRH trying to mount a comeback. The flash to Thursky here. Oh, high screen action. Thursky tries to drive it. Can't get it, rebound. Purdy with the ball, number 69. Purdy, left side, directing traffic. Cross court. Kuyatam, nope. To Rabago, back to Kuyatam. Furs with the drive, bank is good. ASAP Furs. SJ, triple one. Can't get the glass. Rebound Rabago. And here goes Cafe 86. Oh, finds Rabago. Back to Maglapus. Nice ball movement here. Kuyatam, no, long, can't get it. And here goes GRJ on the drive. Thursky converts, no, rebound. Cafe 86. A 3-on-1 break, Rabago goes to, oh, Butterfingers. The Don, oh, foul on Maglapus. Timeout, GRH. And just 8:25 left here in the fourth. One timeout each for both teams. We'll be right back. We're back from the timeout. You got a free throw? Foul of Lapus. One timeout left for GRH as Atienza goes to the line. Ooh, can't get the first one. He'll get a second chance. And also in front of the rim. Oh, tries to get his own rebound, but Dan the man with the rebound. Oh. Foul number 11, the flash. Here goes Cafe 86. Get some hollow at Cafe 86 after you're done with this game. All right. Moglapus, oh, bounce pass to Rabago. Birds. Birds on the drive. Birds all the way. Scoop shot. Can't get the clash. Hey, outlet to the flash. Can he convert? Yes, he does. The GRH comes a little bit closer. 9-point game. Just about 7:30 left here in the fourth quarter. Oh, Dan the man fires top of the key. Oh, fight for the rebound. Birdie gets it. Kuyatan will fire. Oh, get the bounce. No, rebound Raymond. And here we go. Cross-court pass to Gerard. Here goes GRH. He's in the corner. Gives it to the Don. Don baseline. Finds the flash. Oh, can't get it. Cafe 86 bringing the ball up, trying to kill some time. Eugene trying to tell him to pressure the defense. Oh, Hernandez. Throws it up, no, rebound Atienza. And here we go. The Don. He'll spot a fire. Boom! The Don, your order is ready. Corey calling for some reinforcements. Oh, nearly stolen by Gerard, harassing Rabago. Ooh, last touch, he'll go to GRH. Substitution. The intensity has dialed up, folks. 36-30, 6-point game. GRH trying to mount a comeback. Atienza with the ball. Oh, shoots it up. Can't get it. Rebound first. Here goes Moglapus. Gives it to Uncle Drew. Uncle Drew trying to calm down the troops. Hernandez. Guarded by Atienza. Oh, Hernandez all the way. Foul on number 10, Atienza. That's his third personal. 36-30, 5 minutes and counting. Dan the man shooting 2. Trying to eat up some clock. And he makes the first one. Substitution, out Gerard and Kuya Eugene. 37-30. Dan the man sinks the second one. The Don bringing the ball up. Oh, finds Kuya Eugene inside, the flash. Yes. There's still life in GRA. Golden Hour Hospice. You're not on the deathbed yet. Here we go. Hernandez can't get it. Here goes the Don. The Don trying to go inside to the Flash. Here we go. Flash bang. Can't get it. Rebound. The Don goes up. Oh, foul. Shooting two for the Don. His real name is Donald. But we call him the Don. Time is running out. Amasolo gets it. Huh? 4 shots? I don't know. And he hits it. Cafe 86, Uncle Drew with the ball. 4-point game. Cafe 86 trying to hold off this run by GRH. Here goes first, ASAP Ferns, number 69. Crossover, inside the paint. Oh, finds Uncle Drew. Rapago. Oh. Rebound, Eugene. Here goes the Don. The Don finds the Flash on the... Oh, can't convert. T25 left here. Cafe 86. Kuyatan trying to hold off. The wave of customers in Cafe 86 and GRH trying to put an order in. They won't go down easily. Oh! Oh, Maglapo saves it. 10 seconds on the clock. For ASAP Ferns. Oh! Foul by number 30, the Don. He can't believe it. He can't believe it's not butter. As Ferns goes to the line. But the ball doesn't lie. The ultimate lie detector test. Gets it up and the time has stopped here at 1:59, no worries. 4-point game. He makes the second one. 5-point game. And here we go, GRH. The cross-court it to the Flash. Right about the bottom, cross court to Thursky. Thursky, left side, looks it back to the Flash. He'll fire. Boom! The GRH. 2-point game now. And a timeout. Last timeout by Cafe 86, right? So 39-37. A minute 37 left here. And it's an exciting Division II basketball game. All right, we're back from the timeout. A minute 37, 2-point game. This game looking a little bit better than the McGregor and Holloway fight. More exciting action. Here Eugene, telling them to press, keep that pressure, defense. Maglopoulos, oh, trying to get out the gate, and here he goes, crosses half court. Maglopoulos, cross court, oh, intercepted by the Flash. Number 11, oh, fouled by Dan the Man. Stop the clock, minute 26, 39-37, still a 2-point game. We're not in the bonus yet. Thursky will take it out. Finds the Flash. He's on the move. Gives it back to Thursky. Thursky gonna drive it in. Nope. Kick it back out to the Don. On the left side, he'll fire. Oh! Long miss, and Dan the Man with the rebound. 2-point game. 12 seconds. A minute 12 left in the game. And the ball will be taken out. Next one is the bonus. There goes Ferds. Ferds. Oh, trying to cross. Oh, nearly loses it. They find Loglopoulos. Kuyatami, he'll fire for a nail in the coffin. No, oh, he gets his own rebound. Back to Uncle Drew through his legs, and he'll maintain control. Uncle Drew to Loglopoulos. Cafe 86. Trying to close the doors here. Hernandez, hits the front of the rim. He gets his own rebound. Oh, count the basket. Dan the man with a possible 3-point play. 4-point game, 34 seconds left. Cafe 86 trying to close up the register. They're trying to get out of here for the night. Dan the man, 3-point play is good. There goes GRH, Golden Hour Hospice, trying to find some life. Don't get out the defibrillator yet. The Don on the drive, the Don, he'll go all the way. Ooh, foul. Foul on ASAP Ferds. And the Don. 5-point game, 21 seconds left, still a game here. Crucial free throws for the Don. He makes the first one. 4-point game. Lots of time, lots of life still left here for Golden Hour Hospice. Oh, misses the second one. And they foul him. And they're shooting 2. We're in the bonus. Who's the foul on? Who's the foul on, Don? Triple one, SJ. 20 seconds left, 42-38. Loglopoulos trying to close the doors. Ooh, he makes it. They're putting up the chairs, folks. 43-38, 5-point game. And he makes the second one. Yes, 6-point game now. 20 seconds, the flash. Oh, the flash on the drive. Oh, can't get the finish. Thirsty, finding for the ball. 3-point in the corner. Oh! He stepped out of bounds. All right, we'll go to Cafe 86. Drew, fouled by Raymond. 7 seconds left. This might be it, folks. Oh, Eugene trying to call game. And that's game, folks. We're closing the doors, counting the till. Your winners for Division II, Cafe 86. Let's go. Good game, guys. Good game. Next week, now. Next week, Mona.
I'm barely starting, Joe. Come on now. I'm barely starting.